Welcome to Top Picks Now. The Best Pink tool set is probably one of the most versatile and essential additions to any home or DIY enthusiast's collection, offering a vibrant and functional solution for a wide range of tasks, from simple household repairs to more intricate crafting projects, all while adding a touch of personal style to your workspace. Number 5. AVID Power 20V Cordless Drill Set, Pink. Introducing the AVID Power 20V Cordless Drill Set, your perfect companion for home DIY and beginner projects. This lightweight drill comes in a stylish pink color, making your projects both efficient and fashionable. Stay powered through your projects with its long-lasting lithium-ion battery. It features a real-time battery level display, so you'll always know when it's time to recharge. It's ideal for homeowners who need a reliable tool for occasional use. Achieve delicate work with 15+1 torque settings and variable speed control. This allows for precise driving of screws and easy drilling into various materials like wood, drywall, plastics, and metal. Designed for comfort, its compact and lightweight build with a rubberized grip reduces fatigue during extended use. The built-in LED light illuminates your workspace, and the keyless chuck allows for quick bit changes. This set comes complete with 22 practical accessories, including drill bits, driver bits, a flexible shaft, and an extension bar. Everything you need to get started on furniture assembly or wall mounting tasks is included. It's versatile for all your home repair, furniture assembly, and craft needs. Packaged attractively, it makes an ideal gift for holidays, birthdays, or anyone starting their DIY journey. What we like. This drill is perfect for homeowners who need a reliable tool for occasional use. If you're looking for a drill with a battery that won't quit mid-project and a clear charge indicator, this is a great choice. Its lightweight design also makes it comfortable for extended use, ideal for furniture assembly or hanging shelves. What people say. The drill is lightweight, durable, works great, charges well, its light is helpful and it is comfortable to use. Nice, lightweight and compact size makes it easy to use and reduces wrist and arm fatigue. Plenty of power and run time. The 20V Max battery delivers strong, consistent power for a variety of jobs without being tethered to an outlet. I love how lightweight and easy it is to handle, even during longer projects. Number 4. COMOWARE 20V Pink Cordless Drill Set. Introducing the COMOWARE 20V Cordless Drill Set, a comprehensive 171-piece pink tool kit designed for every household need. It's perfect for DIY projects, home repairs, and everyday maintenance. This set includes a powerful 20V cordless drill with a 1,500 mAh battery. Its adjustable torque and dual speed control make drilling into wood and metal, or driving screws, effortless and precise. Beyond the drill, you'll find all the essential hand tools you need. From hammers and wrenches to pliers and screwdrivers, this kit covers everything from assembling furniture to hanging curtains. Crafted from high-strength steel with a corrosion-resistant finish, these tools are built for durability. The non-slip handles ensure a comfortable and secure grip, minimizing fatigue during use. Everything is neatly organized in a durable pink storage bag, making it easy to carry and access. This is the ideal starter tool set for novice DIYers and new homeowners. What we like. This is the ultimate all-in-one solution for any home. If you need a complete set of tools for various DIY projects, home repairs, and maintenance, this kit has you covered. It's perfect for women or beginners who want everything organized and ready to go in one durable toolbox. What people say. The drill has a good grip and is easy to handle, making it suitable for extended use. The set includes a variety of bits and accessories, offering versatility for different tasks. The tools are made of durable material, ensuring longevity and reliable performance. Number 3. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit, Pink 69 PCS. Introducing the HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit. This versatile set is perfect for all your fine DIY projects, offering a wide range of accessories for various tasks. With 5 adjustable speed settings, you can easily control the power to match your specific needs. Achieve the perfect finish for sanding, polishing, drilling, and engraving. Designed to feel like a pen, this tool offers exceptional control and comfort for detailed work. Its compact and lightweight nature means you can take it anywhere and use it anytime. The built-in rechargeable battery provides over 200 minutes of use on a single charge. Convenient USB charging ensures you're always ready for your next creative session. Experience enhanced visibility with the integrated LED light. It illuminates your work area, eliminating shadows and allowing for more precise and accurate results, especially in dark areas. This multi-purpose tool is ideal for intricate crafting and detailed work. It's your go-to for achieving professional-looking results on your DIY projects. What we like. For those intricate DIY projects that require precision, this mini rotary tool is your best bet. If you enjoy detailed work like sanding, polishing, or engraving, its pen-like grip and variable speeds offer unparalleled control. It's ideal for crafters and hobbyists who need a compact and portable tool for fine work. What people say. It has a good amount of different tools and speed settings, which makes it perfect for whatever project you're working on. It's lightweight and easy to hold, which is perfect for smaller hands. She can use it comfortably without getting tired. The kit comes with plenty of accessories, so there was no need to buy anything extra. I also like that it's cordless and USB rechargeable, super convenient. Number 2. FASTPRO 177-piece pink cordless drill and tool set. Introducing the FASTPRO 177-piece tool set, designed to handle all your home repair and DIY needs. It includes almost every basic hand tool you'll require for projects around the house. This cordless drill is powered by a robust 20-volt lithium-ion battery, providing ample power for a wide range of applications. Its variable speed settings and adjustable clutch ensure precise control for any task. The included pliers are crafted from forged steel with heat treatment for exceptional strength and durability. Their hardened cutting edges make even tough jobs easier. Keep your tools organized and ready to go with the blow-molded case. Everything has its place, making storage and transportation a breeze. This set is ideal for your own home use or makes a thoughtful gift. It's a practical choice for anyone tackling home projects. Please note that this drill uses carbon brushes. It's normal for sparks to be visible inside the drill due to the electromagnetic charge. What we like. This comprehensive set is designed for those who tackle a variety of home repair tasks. If you're looking for a powerful drill with a wide range of accessories and a durable build, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for anyone wanting a complete ladies' home repair kit for regular use and DIY projects. What people say. The drill is powerful and drills through wood easily. The tool set comes with a variety of bits, making it versatile for different tasks. The pink color is a nice touch and makes the tools easy to spot. Number 1. Hi-Spec 25PC Pink Household DIY Tool Kit for Women. Introducing a 25-piece pink tool set, perfectly sized for any home. It fits securely in a durable, book-sized case, making it easy to carry and store. The pliers and hammer are designed with soft, non-slip handles. This provides better control and reduces hand fatigue, even during longer tasks. This tool set features a vibrant pink color trim and a compact, lightweight design. It's an appealing choice for those who appreciate practical tools with a touch of style. Inside the well-organized case, you'll find essential tools like a mini claw hammer, combination pliers, and a utility knife. Everything is arranged for quick access. Designed for new homeowners, beginners, or renters, this set is perfect for light home repairs and basic DIY projects. The robust case keeps everything securely in place. This festive season, consider this pink tool set as a thoughtful gift. It brings quality and cheer to every project, making it a perfect Christmas present for DIY enthusiasts. What we like. This is the perfect starter kit for anyone new to DIY or living in smaller spaces. If you need a basic set of essential tools that are easy to store and look great, this set is ideal. It makes a wonderful gift for new homeowners, apartment dwellers, or students who want practical tools with a touch of style. What people say. The screwdriver with changeable heads are magnetic, so they hold onto the screws, which is very helpful. It's compact and lightweight but comes with all the essential tools you'd need for small repairs, hanging frames, or putting together furniture. The quality really impressed me. The hammer has a solid grip, the pliers and screw bits feel sturdy, and the tape measure and voltage tester are great extras that make it a complete all-in-one set. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.